The topic which we are doing, this one is known as drift velocity. These number of electrons, they are moving and they are striking with each other. After striking, when they are moving in a particular direction or drifting in a direction which is opposite to the direction of applied electric field, that velocity with which they are moving, this one is known as a drift velocity. When they are moving, we know that force is equals to mass into acceleration, or acceleration is equals to force upon mass. We know that the force experienced by an electron in an electric field is given as F is equals to minus of E into capital E. E is equals to F upon Q. Q is equals to N into E. If the value of N is 1, so F is equals to Q into E. F is equals to Q into E. From first law, we have V is equals to U plus AT, first equation of motion. So V, it is equals to the value of U is equals to 0. The value of A is F upon M into time period is T. So V is equals to minus of small e into capital E tau upon M. This T, it is converted into tau. So Vd, drift velocity, it is equals to E into capital E tau upon M, where tau is known as relaxation time. When these electrons, they strike with each other, when they strike and after the striking, when they are moving, at that time, that time is known as relaxation time. हमें पता है F is equals to M into A is equals to F upon M, V is equals to U plus AT, V is equal to U की वैल्यू 0, A की जगह में F upon M into T, और F हमें पता है F is equals to minus of E into capital E. So V is equals to minus of E into capital E tau upon M. So the value of Vd is equals to E into capital E tau upon M. This expression is known as drift velocity.